Welcome to this beautiful rental home, now available and ready for its next lucky tenant. Let's take a look around. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the bright, welcoming entryway. The natural light flows in beautifully, setting the tone for the rest of the home. The living room is spacious and open, perfect for both relaxing evenings and entertaining guests. Notice the high ceilings and the seamless flow into the rest of the main floor. The kitchen is a true standout, featuring modern finishes, ample counter space, and quality cabinetry. It's a space any home chef would love. Just off the kitchen is the dining area, ideal for family meals or hosting dinner parties. The layout makes everyday living effortless. Head upstairs and you'll find the master bedroom, a generous retreat with plenty of natural light and room for all your furniture. The bathrooms are thoughtfully designed with clean finishes, great storage, and a spa-like feel that makes every morning feel like a luxury. The additional rooms throughout the home offer flexibility, whether you need a home office, a guest room, or a space for the kids. This rental truly has it all. Contact us today to schedule a viewing and make this beautiful home yours to rent.